Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing full tutorial on how to make butterfly locks for beginner. This is the best beginners tutorial you ever see online. How to make butterfly locks with extension. Guys, this is the best beginners video. Watch to the end and you will never struggle to make butterfly locks again. This video is so detailed that once you watch it, you can make butterfly locks on your own. If you are just turning into my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because of massive tutorial like this will be dropping on this channel. Share this video so it can be to other beginners. Here is how to do the butterfly locks the best way and the easiest way ever. Watch the video to the end, drop your comment, and if you have questions, don't forget to drop your question in the comment section. I will attend to it. See you in my next video, and watch this video to the end so that you can get value for it. This is me. After braiding it, I'll start pulling out the butterfly side by side, step by step. This is how I'm pulling it out. Pulling it out, this will make your work very neat and it make your work very easier. I'm pulling it out with my fingers. You braid a little bit and pulling it out. Mind you, while braiding it, don't make it too tight. If you want to get a quality result, don't make it too tight. Gently watch this video to the end because what you're going to see at the end of this video is going to amaze you. I'll keep pulling it out this way until I get to the desired length that I want. Thanks you for staying tuned and watch this video to the end. See you in my next video.